Hey Mr. Marshall, thanks for helping me out. So I'm using the CEWS, Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy, where the government pays 75% of my workers' wages. Should I pay the other 25%?
Generally, yes, it is a very good idea to do so, even if your revenues are significantly reduced. If the CEWS pays 75% and you as the employer contribute nothing, your employees are looking at a 25% drop in their wages. And if so, one of three things are going to happen, none of which is good. First, either the worker quits working in protest, and in law, he or she will have a viable constructive dismissal claim, and therefore he or she can likely successfully sue your business. Secondly, the worker keeps working but demands the outstanding wages, the missing 25%. And again, in law, he or she will likely be successful if he sues or she sues. Thirdly, and perhaps most likely, the worker keeps working and accepts the 25% reduction. But they're going to be very unhappy with this reduction, especially if they know the taxpayer is paying for all of their wages. This is bad for morale. Therefore, my advice to you is to use the CEWS for what it was intended, which is to retain workers during this time of crisis in the expectation and hope that demand for your product or your service will resume to normal levels. If your workers are paid in full, they may not even know the taxpayer is covering 3/4 of these wages, nor are they likely to even care. But what they will know and appreciate is that you are ensuring they have a job to return to which pays full wages in this time of economic hardship. And that's good for morale in the workplace.
Some of my staff are saying that they get paid the same amount from the CERB as they do when they work for me, so there's no point in coming back to work. What can I do?
That's another great question. Tell you what, I'm going to answer that question in greater detail. Right now, I've got to get back to work, and I'm sure you do as well. Oh, you're still here. You must really like us. Well, we like you too. That's why if you have any specific legal questions about your business during the pandemic, or if you have any legal questions in general, then please send us an email, give us a call, and we'll be happy to answer your questions, give you clarity, and help you in any way we can.